Ah!
How's it coming? Good.
Yeah.
Yeah. No hitting. Huge.
Hello. Right, Daddy. Oh, you fell off already.
Stinky pants.
Change that wet nappy.
You change it.
The moon said, when I am awake, everyone else is asleep. And when everyone else is awake, I am asleep. So I never get to see anyone playing. The stars said that they would wake the moon up the next afternoon so that she could see everyone playing. When the time came, the stars were all asleep as well. All except for one.
Cheeky. You're cheeky. You're a cheeky bugger.
Shouted at the moon, but he wasn't loud enough to wake the moon.
Tickle, 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 tickle,
So when the
tickle.
moon did wake up, it was nighttime again.
You look like you've been wrestling.
Then the tiny star
What you doing?
gave a handful of
She's so full of beans.
this will make your wish.
You haven't been eating beans, have you?
He said.
Because you look full of them. Bah.
That's to make you stay up at daytime. The stardust.
She's balancing on her knees on my tummy.
The moon could hardly how they were dreaming. And the moon could see their dreams.
Hey,
She could see
stop playing with my belly button.
and having fun in their dreams. The moon watched all night until she fell fast asleep.
You're laughing at my belly button.
The moon
It's not that funny.
That's pretty funny.
Ow! Thanks.
That surprised him.
I mean, that's not fair. I'll do that to you one day. I think I will. No.